This catalyst, called Pioneer, Predictive Intelligence and Optimized Networks and Enhanced Experience Resilience, is creating a multi-layer AI-driven solution aligned with Singtel Autonomous Network Level 4 reference architecture to solve foundational issues on data and inventory to propel AI, ML, and digital twin use cases. For decades, telecom has been structured vertically separate silos for mobile, fixed, IT, and cloud operations. This has created siloed data architecture, resulting in data cloning across applications, which increases infra cost, complexity, and data inconsistencies. This model no longer works in the AI era. It will still technically work, but will become unsustainable in the long run. To address these challenges, we must build horizontal, AI-powered networks that break down barriers, enabling seamless automation and intelligence across every layer of operations. By adopting a horizontal AI-native approach, we are ensuring that networks are not just intelligent, they are adaptive, resilient, and self-evolving. Before a network can become autonomous, before AI can optimize and self-heal, we need the following fundamental capabilities. Number one is data convergence, unified and accessible holistic view of information. Number two is a multi-domain inventory awareness. You will not be able to automate what you cannot see, and you cannot optimize what you do not understand. That is why our Catalyst project focuses on data convergence and inventory as the starting point. Because an intelligent network begins with an accurate, AI-ready view of its infrastructure. By establishing data foundation and combining predictive analytics, automation, and AI-driven optimization, we are not just improving operations. We are redefining how networks are managed and monetized, all fueled efficiently by unified data and inventory. We had selected two use cases that we believe shall be an integral part of how we manage the networks of the future. An anticipative service assuring network. Number one is AI-driven predictive maintenance and capacity planning, where we aim to reduce downtime and proactively fixing network issues before they impact customers. Number two is a digital twin-enabled network intelligence, creating a mirror of our infrastructure for smarter, faster decision-making. In terms of the business impact, we are anticipating to harvest the following business outcomes and value benefits indicating significant potential improvements in operational efficiency and AI-driven automation. Enhance customer experience management through more precise issue detection and proactive resolution. Increase network monetization. Open new revenue streams with data from the network, such as analytics and insights for customer hyper-personalization, optimize operation, and improve decision-making. Increase operational efficiency. Further shorten turnaround time to know the state of the network with use of Copilot interface. Through the Pioneer Catalyst, we are actively demonstrating the feasibility of an AI-native TM Forum-aligned horizontally first strategy, paving the way for future adoption at scale.